Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you're also welcome. Alright, guys, I'm so excited today because I want to show you the proper way to make lemon water. Most times people make lemon water and they drink it without knowing how to properly do that. So I'm going to show you how to properly make lemon water and enjoy all its benefits. Alright, if you want to know how to do that, continue watching this video. Lemon water promotes hydration. It is a good source of vitamin C, improves your skin quality, support weight loss, aid digestion, freshens the breath, and also help prevent kidney stones. Lemon water has amazing benefits. It cannot be overemphasized. Alright guys, you can see how it's boiling. You can add honey if you wish, but I prefer taking it this way. Alright guys, so here I have with me my tea. This is the tea I drink and this is how I make my lemon tea, and this is the best way of making your lemon tea to get the amazing results that you want. Alright, beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, share for your friends also to see, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be the first to get notification anytime I upload a new video. Stay beautiful. Bye.